It's 2025 and Mukasa, I want my money back. Mukasa, so they say, is a legit loan platform, buy now, pay later with a lot of features. Actually, para sa akin, ang gulungan ng app niya. Needless to say, it's legit because it's registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Okay, nag-offer siya ng cash loan na supposedly ay mababa yung interest and payable in monthly installments. Meron din siyang cash advance na reasonable din yung interest. So what's the problem? In this video, let's talk about Mukasa, guys, and why I want my borrowers blah 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 back. Keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here, and yung aim ko sa aking videos is to show you kung anong meron sa mga online loan platforms so that you as a borrower or as a user of these platforms, magkakaroon ng better idea at makapagpili kung ano yung talaga yung platform na okay at kung ano yung hindi. So this video is not sponsored, and ang tagal-tagal ko nang may Mukasa, guys. I've seen many things about this app that's worth discussing. When it comes to being legit, there's no question about it, legit po yung loan app na to. Pero dati, nagdalawang isip ako bago ko i-download yung loan app nito because as per its registration sa SEC, meron siyang app na ang laki ng kinakaltas, guys. So when I saw Mukasa, napa-question ako kung legit ba o hindi. But since registered naman siya sa SEC, and there is one vlogger that I'd rather not name, na sinasabi ay baka ito na yung mas better kaysa kabilis, napa-download ako sa loan app na to, hoping na okay siya. And when I first encountered this app, turn off ako dahil, guys. Back then, there are two ways to have a Mukasa account. That is by applying, the usual, kung saan magsasubmit tayo ng information and many other things, hoping na ma-approve tayo in a few minutes. And yung other niya is yung constructive account niya, kung saan magbibigay ka ng supposedly, sabi niya, refundable deposit. Yung refundable, yung magbibigay ka or magka-cash in ka, maglalagay ka ng refundable deposit, that is supposedly to give you a Mukasa account right away. Na sabi niya, marirefund naman or mawi-withdraw mo kapag ma-unlock mo na yung account mo. Yung refundable niyang guarantee na yan is the same idea with the secured credit card eh. So yung first video ko about Mukasa is, okay, sabi ko, kaysa naman ganon, promise ni Mukasa is, magbibuild ka ng credit mo eh. Why not have a secured credit card instead, which works the same way and mas convenient because you have the actual card. Mas convenient naman siguro bumunot ng card, yung secured credit card, kaysa sa maglalagin ka pa sa isang cellphone app na medyo I have doubts. Anyway, so nung May, someone from Mukasa, gamit ay gmail.com pa as an email, reached out and gusto makipag-collab, which eventually that collab was more of like a failure. But I said yes because I wanted to give, I wanted to see talaga kung okay ba talaga si Mukasa, may improvement man. Because yung responsibility ko naman is to provide you guys more information whether an app is okay o hindi. So that's how I got my regular Mukasa credit of 5,000 because I was promised na pag na-try ko, I don't have to pay anything, access lang sa 5,000 credit. But other than that, nag-try din akong magbayad or mag-top up ng refundable na 1,000. Pero nauna yung naglagay ako ng 1,000 na, kasi I thought refundable talaga siya, maa-unlock siya soon. It was 2023, guys Binigyan din nila ako ng credits na 5,000 pesos. Supposedly, sana, collab was more of like a failure because hindi po kasi timely yung pag-reply ng person na nag-contact sa akin. And yung sabi niya na they will pay it out after I use my credits, hindi naman nangyari. So eventually, every time nag-reloan ako dito kay Mukasa, ginagamit ko yung aking credit limit to observe kung mag-i-improve ba siya over time, I ended up paying it out of pocket. And I found that email, that lady was kind of unprofessional. Kaya sabi ko, what's wrong with this app? Anyway, I still gave it a chance to, kasi alam naman natin na there's always room for improvement, and since the app is still starting, so sabi ko, I thought it will improve over time. So I made several other videos discussing yung kanyang cash advance and yung kanyang cash loan, which I was not approved anyways. Needless to say, I was objective and I said, okay yung mga products na yon. And I even tried using the Mukasa card sa Shein. And I thought, convenient pala siya ha. So I think yung bayad, gamit ko, and knowing that I have good credit history should be enough for them to increase my credit limit. And I think sa halip na tumaas yung aking credit limit, parang naging palpak pa yung iba niyang features. Because there were times na services are not available or were temporarily unable to give you this and that. The reason kung bakit ayoko sa kanyang regular application process is humingi po siya kasi ng isa part ng process niya is to have access sa ating SSS. And even in the app itself, meron po siyang ino-offer na reset password in case hindi mo maalala yung GSIS or SSS password mo. So, ayoko sa mga ganon. I gave myself time para makita ko kung okay ba yung app na to. Kaya, I made several other videos. And now, it seems na instead na mag-improve siya, parang nawala pa yung cash advance ko. And sabi niya, ito daw yung steps para mabalik yung cash advance. And nawala rin yung kanyang option para increase ka ng credit limit mo through the constructive account. And I think siguro na-gets nila kung bakit the constructive account doesn't make any sense. Now, because para sa akin, wala nang silbi yung app. Because why would I use their buy now, pay later feature kung meron ka namang BillEase, meron ka namang S-Loan, meron ka namang S-Pay. So, having this app is redundant. Kasi feeling ko wala na akong future dito. Gusto ko sanang i-withdraw yung kanyang guarantee deposit. Which I can. Kasi nakalock pa rin. So, nag-try akong mag-reach out sa kanilang customer service hoping na they could help me unlock that. Kasi I just want to withdraw na and delete the app. Kasi ayoko na sa app na parang wala namang patutunguhan. So, siguro 1 year and a few months more is enough. So, ang tagal na rin panahon na dinedicate ko dito for me to decide if this app is for me or not. And that was September when I tried to withdraw yung refundable deposit ko. And siguro 3 months is enough for them to make improvements in the app, fix whatever bugs they have. Nakailang update na rin sila siguro, ano? But ganun pa rin guys nakalock pa rin yung aking refundable guarantee deposit. So, kayo mag-decide kung okay pa ba si Mukasa sa inyo o hindi. But for me, it's the end of the road. I just want my money back, my refundable deposit, and I want to delete my account na. But, hindi ko pa rin ma-delete yung account. I've tried many times, but ayaw pa rin. Wala na. I think wala nang patutunguhan yung ganitong relationship with this app. So, this video is not meant para siraan ko si Mukasa because siguro sa legit siya. And it also offers you to get a credit report via the app. Kaso, $299 So, kung gusto ko man yung credit report, if I need a credit report, I would go to Lista app instead. Kasi meron akong dalawang choices, CIBI and TransUnion na credit report, which is more convenient to get kaysa ino-offer ni Mukasa. So, having Mukasa in my cell phone is redundant and I don't think I'll be using it soon. Dati, I thought na hindi ko ma-withdraw yung aking refundable guarantee because, di pa guys refundable. What does it mean when you say refundable? And now I understand kung bakit ang daming nagrereklamo dun sa review section sa app about this refundable deposit na hindi naman pala ma-refund. And same sa akin, hindi ko siya ma-withdraw. So, Mukasa, na? So, again, guys, na-sidetrack ako. Ano pang point, okay? So, this video is not para siraan si Mukasa. And you can't blame me. Nag-try ako mag-reach out sa inyong customer service. They were not helpful. That is why I'm making this video public for my viewers to be aware what to expect on the app now at the time of filming this video. And I hope, Mukasa, you improve your app. You want to be known as something na pangtapat sa mga loan apps like BillEase or Maya or S-Loan. Kasi, there are a lot of apps that are better kaysa inyo. Sayang kasi legit pa naman kayo. So, Mukasa, feel free to reach out to me. You have my email address if you want to clarify things. But ako, as far as I, as a user of the app, is concerned, ito po yung mga na-observe ko and I am not happy. So, kayo guys yung magde-decide kung okay si Mukasa para sa inyo because naging okay naman siya somehow. I tried to make videos that are fair for Mukasa in, like yung cash loan, yung cash advance. And I was happy. But now that I just want to delete the app and gusto kong kunin kasi ako talaga yung top up noon, bakit hindi ko siya makuha? So, let me know what you think about this app and let's hope na mag-improve siya this 2024 And I don't know kung talaga bang may future pa dito, but I just want to delete it na. It's 2025 and I want my money back, Mukasa.